Kingston music producer gunned down in Hanover. 3 charged over gun, ammo seized in Garden Town. Man charged in relation to shootout that left policeman injured. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 37-year-old music producer from Kingston was shot and killed by unknown assailants in Green Island, Hanover on Tuesday. The victim has been identified as Mark McCourty of a Deanery Avenue address in Kingston 3. He was murdered along a roadway in Bumble Bottom, Green Island, Hanover. Reports from the Green Island Police are that about 11:30 a.m., residents stumbled upon a white Suzuki Grand Vitara motor vehicle that had overturned and summoned them. On arrival, police found McCourty with gunshot wounds. He was pronounced dead at hospital. 3 persons have been charged following the seizure of a firearm and several rounds of assorted ammunition in Savage Pen, Garden Town, St. Andrew on Tuesday. Charged with possession of a prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition are 39-year-old Ricardo Ebert, otherwise called Bigger, and 35-year-old Shauna K. Dudell, otherwise called Shauna, while 41-year-old Denroy Ebert, a taxi operator, was charged with possession of unauthorized ammunition. The police in St. James have charged a man in connection with a shootout with cops that left a member of the police team injured. Kirky Lawson, 21, was charged on Tuesday with wounding with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, and 2 counts of shooting with intent.